For this video, we are going to combine the water and wastewater pillars and highlight the most important core measures for an office retail business. Just as with the other pillars, these two pillars are subject to change depending on what business industry you are in and completing the certification for. As just a reminder, a core measure is one that must be completed in order to become certified, which is unlike the elective measures, where you can choose which measures to complete to reach the minimum requirement for elective measures. If we look at wastewater, we see it is broken down into one subsection, general. The first core measure of the wastewater pillar states that only rainwater can be washed into the storm drains, and that equipment should not be hosed down or washed where the water could drain into the storm drains. The reason why this is so important is that storm drains in San Luis Obispo County flow right into our creeks and ocean, so any pollutants such as soap or oil that is flushed into the storm drains directly affects our watershed. Moving on to the water pillar, we see it is broken down into two subsections, indoor efficiency and outdoor efficiency. With indoor efficiency, we are asking businesses to have high efficiency toilets, flushing at 1.28 gallons or less per flush, and faucet aerators that reduce the amount of water expelled each minute. Both of these measurements can be found relatively easily if you know where to look. If you already have a faucet aerator, the gallons per minute, or GPM, is inscribed on the tip of the faucet, and if you don't have an aerator, they can be purchased for cheap at any home repair store. In order to determine if your toilet meets our standards, you can look right behind the seat hinge on the bowl to read the gallons of water per flush. As with all retrofits, if your toilet needs to be replaced, we can help you with our $500 rebate program. Moving on to the outdoor efficiency subsection, we see that it focuses on landscape water use and what type of plants should be planted to maintain water sustainability. For businesses that don't maintain large outdoor landscapes, most of these measures can be marked non-applicable or NA. So this concludes the video on the water and wastewater pillars. If you have other questions regarding the additional pillars required to complete certification, please visit slowgreenbusiness.org, where we have additional videos on the other pillars. If you have questions not covered in this video or the additional videos, please reach out to your coordinator who are there to answer any questions.